Good morning, sir. Here's my video presentation and 10A gaps and training plan. Identifying training gaps. Required units of competency learning outcomes based on CBC. Number 1. Perform minor maintenance and servicing on vehicle classified under LTO restriction code 6 up to 8. Perform routine check-up, clean vehicle head, report any minor troubles found and observe abnormalities. Current competencies. Perform routine check-up, report any minor troubles found and observe abnormalities. Training gaps, clean vehicle head. Number 2. Perform pre- and post-operation procedures on vehicle classified under LTO restriction code 6 up to 8. Perform blow-up check. Check pilot pin, pin lock, hose engagement, electrical, hydraulic, air pressure. Training gaps. Perform blow-up check. Check pilot pin, pin lock, hose. Engagement, electrical, hydraulic, air pressure. Check operating condition of panel, control, instrument, gauge, indicator, and controls of vehicle. Check operating condition of air brake and steering control. Engage set safety locks when parked. Training gaps. Engagement, electrical, hydraulic, air pressure. Pre-conduct walk-around inspection prior to turning off the engine. Number 3. Obey and observe traffic rules and regulation. Current competencies. Identifying traffic rules and regulation ordinance implemented in different municipalities, cities, where appropriate driver outfit attire. Respond to handle complaints. Training gaps. Obey and observe traffic rule and regulations. Number 4. Observe road health and safety practices. Current competencies. Identify and evaluate hazard and risk control. Hazard and risk training gaps. Maintain fitness for driving. Number 5. Implement or coordinate accident emergency procedures. Current competencies. Identify different types of emergency situations. Responds to accident emergency emergency situation to proper authority. Provide needs of injury victim based on emergency procedures. Training gap. Respond accidents emergencies encountered. Apply first aid. Number 6. Drive articulated vehicle. Training needs. Module title. Perform minor maintenance and servicing on vehicle classified under LTO restriction codes 6 up to 8. Training needs. Clean vehicle head. Number 2. Perform pre- and post-operation procedures on vehicle classified under LTO restriction code 6 up to 8. Perform blow-up check. Check pilot pin, pin lock, hose, engagement, electrical, hydraulic, air pressure. Number 3. Obey and observe traffic rules and regulation. Training needs. Obey and traffic rules and regulation. Number 4. Observe road health and safety practices. Training needs. Maintain fitness for driving. Number 5. Implement and coordinate accident emergency procedures. Training needs. Respond to accident emergencies encountered. Apply first aid. Number 6. Drive articulated vehicle. Training needs. Follow standard procedures in driving articulated vehicle. Monitor irregular performance of the vehicle. Training plan. Respondent 1. Perform minor maintenance and servicing on vehicle classified under LTO restriction code 6 up to 8. Clean vehicle unit. Maintain and service the vehicle system. Training activity task. Clean per as prescribed procedures using appropriate cleaning supplies, tools, equipment, and according to occupational health and safety (OHS) rules. Waste are disposed of as per relevant ordinance rules or law. Minor routine repair and servicing are undertaken in accordance with occupational health and safety procedures and manufacturer's manual. Brakes are inspected and appropriate action are undertaken with accordance with manufacturer specification. Complex repair and service requirements are identified and prepared following workplace procedures. Records of routine servicing, maintenance, and repair are kept and updated in accordance with workplace procedure. The mode is training is visual. Staff General Morby Toldan is Chief Mechanic Supervisor. Facilities, tools, and equipment: vacuum cleaner, steam cleaner, mop and basket, pail broom, hose pressure water. Venue: Bicol Automotive Corporation. Assessment method: observation with questioning, demonstration on with questioning, interview, written examination. 60 date and time: 68 hours plus 28 learning outcomes equal is to. Example: October 2, 2024, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pre- and post-operation procedures on vehicle classified under LTO restriction codes 6 up to 8. Perform visual and check vehicle. Perform blow-up check. Perform operation. Perform post-operation procedures. Vehicle serviceable parts are checked in accordance with vehicle checklist and manufacturer's procedure. Walk-around check is performed with vehicle checklist and engine stop not running. Electrical terminal is checked in accordance with manufacturer's procedures. Blow-up check is performed in accordance with standard operating procedures. Deficiencies, findings in blow-up check are identified and appropriate corrective measures are undertaken in accordance with manufacturer's specification. Abnormal conditions are not noted in checklist and respond to authorized person. Starting running check is performed accordance with manufacturer's specifications. Operating conditions of instrument, indicators, and controls are performed in accordance with manufacturer's condition. Operation condition of air brake and steering controls are checked in accordance with manufacturer's recommendation. Walk-around check with engine running is performed in accordance with Manufacturer's recommendation. Safety device and accessories are purchased for proper function in accordance with the safe operating procedures. Vehicle is parked and engine turned off after productive operation. In accordance with company rules and regulations, vehicle controls are set into neutral position and parking brakes are engaged according to manufacturer operation manual. Safety locks and brakes are set engaged in accordance with operator manual. Walk around inspection check reconduct while doing engine is cooled down. Daily vehicle time record report inspection accomplished submitted according to company rules and regulation. The mode is training is visual and the staff is John Raymore Bituldanes and the tools facilities and tools are air cleaner battery terminals connection belt tires grease lube points fuel water separator air tank radiator mirrors light signal back tail head air hose and connectors. Venue Bicol Automotive Corporation. Mm, Mode of training written examination observation with questioning demonstrating with questioning portfolio. Number 3. Obey and observe traffic rules and regulation. Observe traffic signs and road marks. Obey traffic rules and regulations. Practice courtesy. Respect traffic enforcers and traffic management personnel. Traffic signs and road marks are identified and followed in accordance with concerned traffic authorities. Traffic rules and regulations are identified and followed in accordance with concerned traffic authorities. License and registrations are maintained as prescribed by law. Drive outfit attire worn as prescribed by law. Positive work values are demonstrated as per Code of Ethics of Drives. Complaints are responded and handled with respect based on driver's code of ethics. Traffic authority instructions are complied with as prescribed by law. Traffic violation tickets receipts issued by traffic enforcers are accepted and appropriate action is taken. Mode of training is visual. The tools and equipment as merging traffic, no overtaking, pedestrian lane, total stop. Mode of training, observation with questioning, demonstrating with questioning, interview, written or oral examination. Observe road health and safety practices. Identify and evaluate hazard and risk. Control hazard and risk. Maintain fitness for driving. Safety regulations are work and workplace safety and hazard control practices and procedures are classified clarified and explained based on organizations' procedures of effects of driving environment, hazard risk, and corresponding indicators are identified to minimize or eliminate risk to passenger, co-work, workplace environment in accordance with organization procedures. Contingency measures during emergencies are recognized and established accordance with organization procedures, which is issues and or concerns and identified safety hazards are reported to design personnel in accordance with workplace requirements and relevant workplace OHS legislation. Occupational health and safety OHS procedures for controlling hazard risk in workplace are consistently followed. Procedures for dealing with accidents, fire, and emergencies are followed and organized with organization OHS policies and management space space management defensive during techniques are practiced to avoid accidents and appropriate assistance is provided in the event of emergency in accordance with established protocol. Standards of health, fitness, and well-being for driving on the road are maintained and adhered to all times. LTO, LTFRB, and company policies related to smoking, alcohol, and prohibited drug are used complied with. Fatigue management strategies are applied to ensure concerns, concentration, and alertness while driving. The mode of training is visual and facilities, tools and equipment, overhead cables, ins- installed vehicle and other road obstruction, excavation and road repairs, flood, heavy traffic volume accidents, heavy rains and typhoons, fog, smog, uneven loads, slippery roads, winding and zigzag roads. Mode of training is portfolio assessment, interview, case studies with situation. Implement and coordinate emergency procedures, respond emergencies, arrange follow-up support and assistance. Emergency and potential emergency situations are identified and assessed based on emergency procedure. Actions are prioritized and provided based on criticality of the emergency situation. Accident reports are prepared in accordance with regulatory and workplace procedure. Responsibilities are clarified in accordance with emergency procedures and or regulatory requirements. Medical assistance and support is arranged in accordance with workplace procedures. First aid is applied in accordance with medical procedures. Passenger needs are identified and provided based on emergency situation. Mode of training is visual and facilities, tools and equipment. Reporting to police authority, facilitate insurance claim, informing victims relative respond to investigate on and authority injury. Modes of train ay assessment method, observation with demonstrating with questioning, interview portfolio. Drive articulated vehicle, perform articulated vehicle Restarting warm up. Drive articulated vehicle, minor and maintain vehicle performance. Articulated vehicle inspection is performed as per manufacturer specification, safety harness device tools, and check according LTO. Required warm-up of articulated vehicle is performed as per manufacturer's manual. Articulated vehicle is drive in accordance traffic rules and regulation, driving hazard, cargo loads, and occupational health. Defective or irregular performance function are monitored and reported to the appropriate person authority. Minor vehicle maintenance is performed in accordance with manufacturer's vehicle records are maintained, updated in accordance with workplace procedures. Mode of training is visual and facilities, tools and equipment, seatbelt, early warning device, hand tools, wrench, pliers, screwdriver, early warning device, jack, spare tires, flashlight or emergency lighting device, consumable materials and spares parts such as rags, fan belt, fuse, electrical tapers, brake fluid, motor oil, chain with binder, strap belt, wooden wedge pull. The assessment method is written test, observation with questioning, demonstration with questioning, interview, portfolio. Time is 68 hours divide to 28. Learning outcome equal to example October 2, 2024, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.